Okay, guys. So the third rule is the power of a power rule. Remember the previous one I said this is the division, this is the multiplication. So this is the power to a power rule. Now what does this rule signify or talk about, or when is it used? It is used when a raised to power n is raised to another power of n. And what does it say? It says when you have something of such that it is the same thing as a m times n. Remember, this is a power and it's raised to another power. That these two powers, you can multiply them. So this is what this rule states. Now, the rule holds for in a scenario where you have maybe you have x is raised to the power of 4 is raised to the power of 2. This is the same thing as x is 4 times 2, and you can represent it as x is equal to 8. So this is just a simple example of this rule. You know, I'm just introducing the rules yet, so that when we start solving questions, we will not be asking how come. Okay, so now we have the zero law rule. Zero law rule. Now, what does this rule talk? This rule says that any number or anything, any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any exponent raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Where a can never be 0. Anything that is other than 0 that is raised to the power of 0 is 1. But if it is 0 raised to the power of 0, it is indefinite. So this is the rule. So what it simply connotes here is that if I should have 4 raised to power 0, 4 raised to power 0 is the same thing as 1. X raised to power 0 is the same thing as 1. So this is what this rule talks about.